So for number 10, find the 5-number summary, minimum, quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3, and the maximum for this set of data, and then draw a box plot for this data set. So remember, for any 5-number summary, the first thing that we need to do is get this number or data set in order. In this case here we have 2, 5, 7, 9, actually there's 8 here, my bad, then 9 and 9, 10 and 11, and then 12 and 16. So now we have our data set in order. So minimum, fairly easy, it's the smallest number. Maximum, fairly easy, it's the largest number. Now Q2 is the next one we're going to find by finding our middle points. In this case here, we land on 2 9s. We know that the average of 9 plus 9 divided by 2 is just going to be 9, so our Q2 is 9. Now it separates our data into 2 sets here, where we have 2, 5, 7, 8, and 9, and then 9, 10, 11, 12, and 16. So finding Q1 is just like finding the median of the lower half of data. So we're doing the same thing, crossing off until we find a middle, which is 7. And then for Q3, we're doing the same thing, crossing off until we find a middle of 11. And boom, there's our 5-number summary. Now, all we have to do to draw our box plot is to create a number line. So 2 through 16 here, because our minimum is going to land here. So when you're drawing a box plot, just remember you're just going to have to draw vertical lines above our 5-number summary. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lands right here. 8, 9 lands right here. 10, 11 lands right here. And boom, we have our basics of a box plot. Now we just have to create a box around Q1 and Q3. And then a line going from the minimum to Q1, and a line going from Q3 to the maximum. And there we go with our box plot for number 10.